Yeah, g'day guys. This is a video on how to replace your engine oil on your motor vehicle. First thing you got to do is ensure that you jack up the car and put stands. So the parts you'll need are oil filter wrenches, spanner or socket, funnel, a little bit of grease, a cloth, something to drain it into, engine oil and filter. These are the different style of wrenches that you could use to remove your oil filter. So if you're using one of these wrenches, this is the way you need to fit it if you want to loosen the unit. Same thing with this one here. This is for older vehicles more so, bigger filters and trucks. Well, you've got this one here as well. So the way this filter wrench works, you just use a ratchet on this end. As you're tightening the belt, it'll just grab it really tight and turn. Well, you got this other style one like this. All depends on your application or the accessibility of your filter. That'll help. Either one should help you get it off. So to drain your engine oil, you need a wrench, loosen it off, enough for you to undo by hand. Get ready with your bucket, it might squirt a long way. And ensure you got your washer as well with you. Don't lose the washer. Now the oil filter should be removed by hand. If it's being put on properly, you should be able to undo by hand, which I'm having no problems doing. But if you're struggling to get it off, then ensure you put the oil filter wrench on like that and turn to loosen it. Once you remove the oil filters, ensure that the rubber is still on the oil filter and it's not still on the vehicle, because that would give you a big problem. And make sure you smear some grease along this seal of the new filter. So for this vehicle, it states that I need to use 10W30 engine oil, and it'll take 4.8 litres. But because this vehicle's done 250,000 kilometres, I'll be using 1540, a little bit of thicker oil because the motor will be worn slightly. So here's my oil, and that's where I need to fill it. So I'll put about 4.5 litres in there, run the car, let it sit for a minute, and check the level. After filling it up with oil and putting the cap back on, start the engine and look for any oil leaks. And looking there, that looks pretty clean, no problem there. And from the drain plug, that looks pretty clean as well. Turn the car off, let it sit for a minute, and then check your level. So once you let the vehicle settle down for a minute, check your level and top up if need be. Usually if there's a low and high mark on your dipstick, it's usually approximately half a litre of oil that you require to fill up between those 2 points. Thank you. Hope this helps.